Welcome. We're here over in Cali, Colombia, in my house at the moment. I'd like to give you a tour of this place. This place is amazing. So we'll start with the kitchen actually. It's all outside. Here we have the kitchen. It's got all your essentials. Got the stove right there, the bananas, the coffee, some garbanzo bean items. Got some juggling balls, so when the water's boiling. Sink, some dishes, refrigerator. Here we got the sink of the bathroom. So go in here, the bathroom. Let's continue. Let's go on over to the shower area. Here's the shower. Right now I'm doing some laundry. But this is the shower. This is where you use a bucket to shampoo yourself and dump water. Let's continue. What's cool about this place is that there's a mango tree. Look at that. Some paracetamol. And then this one tastes pretty good. This one tastes similar to anise. To flavor my fish. And here, if we just continue up, got the lemon tree. You can see some lemons. So this is the pathway to my treehouse. Here's the dining table. And continue along the path. We'll actually stop over at my office real quick. Give you a tour of that. This is my office. And then we have a phone, iPad. We have some yoga equipment over there for some movement in the morning. But this is where all the work gets done. Some hammocks. Nice bit of space right here. Here she is. The beauty. Acacia brasileira amarilla. It's a type of tree. It's a sable over there. And I gave this tree a name. I call her Waypaina. Well, let's go up. Up, up, up. Here she is. The beauty. Absolutely gorgeous, my treehouse. Here's the bed, turned into a sofa. Here we have some maracas, guitar, two bedding boughs, a pandero, the window. Here's the sable protector of the treehouse. We got the view here. If we go back here, we got the closet, the wardrobe. This is my place. I'm enjoying it here. I really, really love it. I didn't expect there to be so much stimulation from being outside all the time, because I really am outside all the time. And yeah, this has been quite an experience. And this tree right here has taught me actually quite a lot of lessons, because you could really play with it, give it a massage, throw some elbows. Yeah, you could just sit on it too. But it's like you're on the tree. You're in the tree, which is another type of thing. Because you could look down. It goes down to the floor. But I'm very secure here, and I'm in here, and I have different spaces to go throughout my day. I could go down to the city. Over there, you got La Topa. It's the dancing spots, and my salsa classes are right next to a 30-minute walk. You got a 30-minute walk to the gym. You got a 30-minute walk to groceries. Everywhere is 30 minutes, and it's close. It's in the center, which is spectacular. I'm in a mountain, so I just have to climb down, or even get a taxi if I'm a little injured, like I currently am. As you see, it's too much I should have listened to my body. But anyways, this is my treehouse. It's amazing here. I really do. I really enjoy it. It's it's a life outside of the norm, I guess you could say. One day I want to have my own treehouse. I want to have many tree houses. To have one of them is the hangout spot because this is my room, and rooms are not meant to be just hanging out in. You have different spaces for different activities. I want to have many tree houses, maybe some on top, and then I have big plans for the future. And this was an amazing experience. I've been here for over a month. I'll be leaving in a week, and this is a tour of my treehouse. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace. This is so nice. This is so nice. Look, it's a sable.